What are the potential health risks associated with consuming sunflower oil?
Hello everyone. Today, we'll be diving into a topic that touches our daily lives, the oil we use in our cooking. More specifically, we're discussing sunflower oil, which many people around the world use in their kitchens. Sunflower oil is indeed praised for its light flavor, high smoke point, and some potential health benefits. But like everything else, it comes with a flip side. Today, we'll be examining the potential health risks associated with consuming sunflower oil.
What is sunflower oil?
Before we delve into the risks, let's understand what sunflower oil is. Sunflower oil is a non-volatile oil pressed from the seeds of sunflowers. It is commonly used in food as a frying oil due to its high smoke point, and in cosmetic formulations as an emollient. It contains a good amount of vitamin E and low saturated fat, which makes it seem like a healthy choice. But there's more to it.
What are the potential health risks?
Omega-6 fatty acid imbalance. One significant potential risk associated with sunflower oil is its high level of omega-6 fatty acids. Our body needs a balance of omega-6 and omega-3 fatty acids for optimal health. However, sunflower oil is very high in omega-6 fatty acids and contains very little omega-3. The high consumption of sunflower oil can lead to an imbalance in these fats in your body, which could promote inflammation and may contribute to chronic diseases like heart disease or cancer. Risk of high LDL cholesterol. While sunflower oil is low in saturated fat, it contains a higher amount of omega-6 polyunsaturated fat. Some research indicates that too much of this type of fat can increase your level of LDL, low-density lipoprotein, cholesterol. This is often referred to as the bad cholesterol, as high levels can lead to the formation of plaque in your arteries, increasing your risk of heart disease. Potential for overconsumption. Like all oils, sunflower oil is high in calories. 1 tablespoon contains around 120 calories. This high calorie content can contribute to weight gain and obesity if not moderated. While sunflower oil can be part of a healthy diet, like all fats, it should be used in moderation. So, there you have it. While sunflower oil can have a place in a balanced diet, its high levels of omega-6 fatty acids and potential to increase LDL cholesterol levels mean that it should be consumed in moderation and balanced with foods high in omega-3 fatty acids. Remember, a varied diet is usually the key to healthy eating. It's always important to have a discussion with your healthcare provider or a registered dietitian about the types of fats and oils that best fit your personal health needs. Stay healthy, stay informed, and thanks for joining us today.